Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. So I got dressed, well I didn't get dressed. I woke up and I did my makeup just to talk to you guys, and I just want to talk about what I'm going to be doing in the upcoming month, I guess. So I told you guys I recently had a baby. She is now 8 months. So I'm starting this journey late, and it's because I had some issues with my mental health. People don't like to talk about postpartum depression, but it's real, and it's something that really affects you. So I've just been unhappy with myself and my appearance and just depressed lately. And of course, my doctor put me on medication to help with it. So talking about it, I'm publicizing it because I feel like I'm finally getting back to myself. So getting back to myself means I need to lose weight. I am not happy with my size, and don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with being plus size. Like, I've always been on the thicker side. I love it. Like, I just feel unhealthy, and I don't like that. So starting a new journey, and I want to take y'all with me, and I want to know how y'all feel about it. I want to know if there's something that you would like to see. I am just starting keto again. I did keto before. Keto is a lifestyle adjustment. I did keto for about 4 months before I got pregnant with my daughter. And I lost weight. I lost a good amount of weight. And I felt healthy. I felt good. And I just miss feeling like that, And so this journey that I'm going on will also include yoga, working out, and meditation, along with eating right. I love yoga. I love meditating. It just feels so calm and relaxing, and it's just something that I really do love, and I want to include you guys in if you're interested in seeing it. I currently weigh way more than I'm supposed to for my height. So if you look at the whole BMI, I'm way above where I should be. But again, like I said, there's nothing wrong with being plus size. You're supposed to love yourself for who you are, because you're the only one. I want to feel better about myself. Like, my biggest thing with my depression after I had my daughter, I've always struggled with depression and anxiety. I used to have really bad anxiety attacks. My mother passed away when I was 10 years old. And after that, I lost a lot of weight. I was a chunkier little girl. And then after she died, I dropped to like 110. I had my son. I gained some healthier weight. I was then like 175. And I was happy with that. I was content. And now I weigh way over that, So my goal is to get back to 175, because I feel like that is a good weight for me. I won't be too small. Even if it is, I don't know if it's over my, I don't know if it's over my BMI. I don't know. I don't really care. But I want to get back to that. That's the place that I want to be. So, and like I was saying, like after I had my daughter, with COVID, we don't go anywhere. We just sit in the house, which, nothing's wrong with that. I love being in the house with my kids. My son is doing virtual, which is, whew. If you're a teacher, I salute you. I don't know how y'all do it. I wasn't made to teach kids. I wasn't. It's not for everybody, but it's rewarding. Like, I love being home with them. So, it's just a stressful process to deal with. Being a stay-at-home mom is a lot. Some people don't. And then being a business person, owning your own business and driving to be creative and to accomplish your goals. And I'm also in school still. I graduate actually at the end of February. Well, I finished my semester at the end of February, and then I'll be getting my degree. So also, if you would like to hear me talk about that, I did my degree virtually for the last 4 years. So if you would like to hear about that, let me know in the description below. But I'm sorry, I keep getting off topic. You know, so it was just a lot, you know, being a stay-at-home mom, finishing my degree. I had a really horrible pregnancy. And, you know, like I said, like, my mental health was just, it was just, whew. You know, me and my boyfriend, he would try to make me feel better. I started having anxiety attacks again to the point where I would turn blue, as he described it, you know. And I just wanted to get back to a place where I'm mentally happy and mentally stable. So I'm going to be going down the journey, and I would love to take you guys with me if you're interested. I want to thank everybody who's supporting me and following me so far and subscribing to my channel. You guys are amazing, and I love you so much, and I really do appreciate it. Like, it really helps to see that you guys are interested in what I have to show you, and you know, it's really amazing. You know, you guys are amazing. I got another background, by the way. It's still wrinkly. You can see the wrinkles, but I feel like it's better to talk to you guys with, besides my, you know, my disaster that usually happens in the background. But yeah, like, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do, you guys. It means so much to me. I love to see it grow. I love to see you guys grow. I love commenting with you guys. I would love it if you follow me on social media to keep up with, you know, my endeavors. So honestly, I think I'm about to get into using crystals and sage and, you know, just really building up my spiritual energy, because I just I feel like it's time to go down that journey. For those of you who don't know, I am 22 years old. I don't think I ever talked about that with you guys. My birthday is next month, so I'm an Aries. You know, unasked question answered. You know, I'm an Aries, so we're supposed to be fun-loving and, you know, everything else. So, and stubborn and mean and serious all at the same time. I'm the most literal person. You know, my family, boyfriend hates it, but it's me, you know. And I want to go down this journey, and again, I want to take you with me. So if you're interested, please let me know. Like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and tell me how you feel about it. I think I'll make another video talking more about my pregnancy and my depression. If you're interested in that, let me know. I mean, I'm probably gonna make it anyway, just to, you know, talk about it, because it's not talked about enough, and it is okay to have these feelings. You know, it's not something to be ashamed about. So basically, this is an introduction to my journey of getting in tune with myself spiritually, mentally, physically, and we're gonna start this process together. I'm gonna take you guys step by step. And like I said, this is just the introduction. So we are going to deep dive into it together. And I'm so excited to take you guys with me. I love you so much. I'm going to stop rambling. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye. I love you so much.